The problem we have today is converting 28 million cubic meters into cubic miles. It's a volume to volume problem, and the trick here is getting the conversion from linear measurements to volume. So we're going to write 28 million meters cubed. Pardon me, this pen doesn't work very well when I'm recording. It's too taxing on my iPad, so sometimes it sticks. But 28 million meters cubed, and how many cubic miles is this? I put miles, I should have put cubic miles there, my error. We're going to assume there are two sig figs with zeros to the left of a decimal point and to the right of an integer might be significant and they might not be. We're going to assume 2. If it ends up being that there's 8 in here, then we'll just write all 8 digits out in our problem, but I think there's 2. This is how it was presented to me by a student. I didn't see the original problem. But we know, one thing we do know, just in the top of our head, is 1 mile is 1,609.34 meters. So we know this linear relationship. And to cube it, we just cube everything. You go 1 cubed, which is just 1 mile cubed, is equal to 1,609.34 cubed meters cubed. And the same thing as for squares. If you want to do squares of things, it works the exact same way. So, pardon my voice, I'm struggling not to cough right now. So we'll just write this as 2.8 times 10 to the 7 instead of all the zeros, meters cubed. And then we're going to multiply this by a conversion factor, which we'll make right now. We have meters on the thing we start with, so it's got to go on the bottom on the next unit so that they cancel. So we're at 1,609.34 cubed, meters cubed, over 1 cubed, mile cubed. And that's going to be, we just do that math and that's our answer. So let's do the math. I have an RPN, or reverse Polish notation calculator, so it might look a little weird to you, but I'll explain as I go along. So we're going to start with 2.8 times 10 to the 7th. And we're going to enter that, and that's the right number. And then we're going to take 1, and then we cube it, 1 cubed. Then we'll take the other part, 1609.34, enter. And we're going to 3y to the x cube that. And then we multiply these top two and divide the numerator by that denominator. And we got that number. So that's the answer, 6.717, but we're going to only get 2 sig figs out of this. So it's just going to be 6.7. Oops, sorry, I'm having trouble with my pen here. Forgive me while I figure out how to turn the eraser on for just a moment. Sorry about that. Yeah, there it goes. Okay. And we just have 6.7 times 10 to the minus 3 miles cubed. Or you can write it like this. If you're typing it in a computer, e to the minus 3, or 0.0067. That's our answer. Now, of course, the units of this is miles cubed because we canceled out the meters cubed. So it's miles cubed. Any of these 3 ways is an acceptable answer to this problem, rounded to 2 significant figures. I hope this helps. Have a good day.